my brand new bike. It is a Wilier Cento1Air and it is awesome and I love it. I'm just going to run you through all of the components, I guess. And it is full Ultegra. Oh, it's disgusting right now because I rode it this morning and it was raining. I know people don't ride in the rain, but I do. Not a fair weather cyclist, so yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I rode it this morning, so it's a bit dirty. But yeah, full Ultegra, cranks, brakes, rear derailleur, front derailleur. Moving on to wheels. I have Shimano RS81s, C35 carbons. They have, what's really cool, or what attracted me to these, is the alloy braking surface. I didn't want carbon because of how they perform in the wet and the brake pads and whatnot, so these are perfect and I love them. They're real smooth and I really like it. It is full carbon. I really like the how they're shaped with the down tube and the top tube. I don't know, it's just beautiful. I like the internal cabling and how you can adjust up the top here, and how it cuts in on the seat post here, how it cuts the wheel in. The cool thing about the frame is it's all internal cabling, and the lines that the cables run are really smooth and no kinks, unlike some other aero bikes, which my bike mechanic pointed out to me. So yeah, it just runs really well and I love it. It's so dirty right now, but yeah, got to give it a clean and then she'll be sweet. 105 carbon pedals. Yeah, that's my new bike. I love it. Carbon bottle holders as well. These are pretty cool these days. Yeah, I love it. Thought I'd do a selfie view for these bits of the bike. The seat right here is a fabric demo, and it's freaking awesome. It's yeah, I'm just demoing it at the moment because I don't know what seat I want. I might just go back to what I had on my Specialized, but I don't know. So I'm just demoing that. Fabric line, that's the one I'm using. So we'll see how that goes. Moving on to the cockpit of the ship, of the bike. Just got the handlebars, and this is what I look at. Got my Garmin, got the Garmin 520, which I think is sick with the live segments on Strava if you've got premium. And yeah, I love the bar tape. Bar tape is sick. I love how it feels. And yeah, there's my light. Yeah, love it. What is going on YouTube? Holy shit. What is going on YouTube? I've had a lot more subscribers in the past week, which is awesome, and I can't wait to pump out a heap more videos. So yeah, that was my bike review. Well, I guess it's my bike check of my Wilier Cento1Air that I got from V1 Cyclery, and yeah, I love it. It's been awesome the 2 weeks that I've ridden it, so yeah, I can't wait to keep riding it. Coming up to a bit of bad weather here in Brisbane for the weekend, so probably won't be pushing out some vlogs because it'll be a bit boring. Hopefully I might get some afternoon rides in, I'm not sure, so the dogs are barking, by the way. After this clip, I'll show you. So I tried to do a bike check kind of thing yesterday for State of Origin, before State of Origin, and the dogs kept getting in it, so I'll throw some clips up of them trying to get in my vlog after this clip right now. Welcome. Today I'm going to do a bit of a bike check out my new bike and my dogs apparently. Okay, so can you guys not be in it? Okay, so it's a Cento1Air 20. This is not working with my dogs here. Anyway, can you get out?